I'm 17. This farm's been in my family for over 100 years.
I'm Spencer Sage. I'm 19 years old. I work out here on the farm, and it's not very easy. It's been the family for 3 generations, and plan on taking it over after college.
I'm Tyler Young, 19. This farm's been in my family for 4 generations.
Prices are going down and fuel's going up, and it's just it's getting really hard to make a dollar out there.
About everybody I know has got a second job to help support the rest of the farm.
About 2 years ago, I moved away for about 3 months. Being away from the farm just killed me. I had to come back.
Do peão, a festa tava boa, tinha gente de montão. A galera no estilo chapéu, bota e fivelão, e o som sertanejo embalava a multidão. Ei, 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 Barretos, que festa boa, que emoção. Ei, 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 Barretos, é a terra do peão. Tinha boi, tinha cavalo e os peões mais afamados, e um locutor narrando de um jeito apaixonado Foi subindo a adrenalina, começou a montaria. A plateia aplaudia quando o pinhão não caía. Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, que festa boa, que emoção. Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, é a terra do peão.
Levanta a mão pra cima e bate palma, galera!
Na festa tinha gente do Brasil inteiro. O povo tava agitado, parecia um formigueiro. Quando começou o show, foi aquele piseiro. Chegou a tremer o chão na terra do boiadeiro. Solta a mão agora! Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, que festa boa, que emoção. Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, é a terra do peão.
A mãozinha pra cima lá, assim!
Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, que festa boa, que emoção. Ei, 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 ei. Barretos, é a terra do peão. É a terra do peão. É a terra do peão.
Has the Midtown Ripper claimed a fifth victim? The body of another female prostitute was found this morning around 5.
Another one bites the dust.
Let's get out of here.
Police are baffled by this.
No, you're gonna make the call, aren't you?
We need a profiler.
He's not gonna do it.
Yes, he will.
Not a chance.
I can talk to him.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
What are you, 6 or something?
Hey, he's been out of the game for 7 years.
He's still the best.
Rusty.
Just shut up.
No.
Yo,
It's me.
Not gonna do it.
long time no hear.
You been following the case?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's not gonna happen.
I just can't seem to get a profile really sticks on this guy.
Never, never, never.
I'm retired, boy.
Hey, I really need your help on this one, Dad.
Oh, man.
You come to me.
Check.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going atheist, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. When I hear people say I cannot, I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Cause I just
de peão, cerveja pra tomar, mulher pra namorar e festa de peão pra alegrar o meu coração. Quem é que não gosta? Quem é que não quer? Cerveja gelada e uma linda mulher, sentir a energia no meio do povão. Essa é a magia da festa de peão. Coração de peão. O show já vai começar, todos na palma da mão. A alegria está no ar, bate com a bota no chão. E a galera se agita, levanta suas mãos pro céu. Que momento de emoção, é hora de tirar o chapéu. Sentir a energia no meio do povão. Essa é a magia da festa de peão. Coração de peão. Pra cima, sim. O show já vai começar, todos na palma da mão. A alegria está no ar, bate com a bota no chão.